Diploma in Occupational Medicine. Cabqc is a Canadian awarding body for qualifications and certifications incorporated, providing an approval of international qualifications for independent training providers. Cabqc is committed for ensuring that the quality of approved qualifications is maintained at a high level. The Diploma in Occupational Medicine course is designed to prepare candidates for the written as well as oral examination of Diploma in Occupational Medicines based on a portfolio. This course has been designed for registered practitioners. This course is the foundation-level qualification required for occupational medicine. The aim of this course is to understand epidemiology, musculoskeletal disorders, the examination, occupational lung disorders, occupational mental health disorders, toxicology, industrial relations, occupational skin disease, biological monitoring, occupational health law and disability assessment. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937, 00923215056755.